The latest, Condit Lawyer, client not a suspect in Levy case. The latest on charges being dropped against the man once convicted of murder in the death of Washington intern Chandra Levy, all times local 4 p.m. A lawyer for former Congressman Gary Condit of California says his client is not a suspect in the death of Washington intern Chandra Levy, even though prosecutors have dropped all charges against the man who once stood convicted of the slaying. In a statement Friday, the lawyer said Condit remains completely exonerated in the death of Levy, who disappeared in 2001 and whose body was found in 2002 in Rock Creek Park. Condit, who had a relationship with Levy, was once a suspect in her disappearance, but police eventually cleared him. In 2009, they charged Ingmar Guandique, who had been convicted of attacks on women in Rock Creek Park. But the conviction was overturned amid questions about testimony from a jailhouse informant. On Thursday, prosecutors dropped all charges against Guandique.Last a.m. The 15-year-old mystery of who killed Washington intern Chandra Levy is again an open question after prosecutors dropped charges against the man who once stood convicted of her murder. A judge Thursday dismissed all charges against Ingmar Guandique after prosecutors said new developments left them unable to prove his guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Prosecutors refused to discuss details of what led them to abandon their case. Levy's 2001 disappearance became a national obsession after she was romantically linked to Gary Condit, then a Democratic congressman from California. Condit was a suspect, but authorities eventually charged and convicted Guandique.